Okay, for a beast pose assessment, it's essentially quadruped position. I'm looking for the wrist, elbow, shoulder to stay nicely stacked, knee just in front of the hip and the spine to be flat. And from here you're going to breathe and brace, and then you're just going to lift the knees off the floor about an inch, and you're going to hold this position as long as you can. Okay, so this is a maximum hold test, as long as you can. Beast pose, or loaded quadruped position, is basically you squatting and hinging but down on all fours. The goal is to have a level hip to shoulder and knee in front of the hip. So you can see when we start off here, our first position, we've got a bit of an angle, the pelvis hasn't fully rotated again. As I adjust you through the movement, we're making some space from shoulder to hip as always, and then we're tilting that pelvis a little bit forward. We're bringing it all the way through into rotation here. That puts you in a much stronger position. You can feel your core engage, and it's a heck of a lot harder to stay up, but very good job.